At Nene UPVC Repairs Limited, we're proud to be your trusted local experts in UPVC windows and doors across Peterborough, Cambridge and Stamford. As a family-run business with over a decade of experience, we're committed to quality craftsmanship, fair pricing and exceptional customer care. Looking to upgrade your front or back door? Our UPVC and composite doors are designed to enhance security, reduce drafts and improve your home's appearance. With a variety of styles and finishes to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit for your home. We also specialize in energy-efficient UPVC windows that not only improve insulation but also boost your home's curb appeal. Our friendly, experienced team is always here to help, offering honest advice, tailored solutions and a no-pressure approach from start to finish. We offer a personal, down-to-earth service with honest advice and a focus on doing the job right first time. So whether you're replacing a misted window or planning a full upgrade, give us a call or visit our showroom. At Nene UPVC Repairs, we're here to make your home improvement simple and stress-free.